Here's some Pittsburgh Flood trivia. Subscribe. What year did the Great Flood occur in Pittsburgh? Is it A, 1936, B, 1923, C, 1940, or D, 1955? The correct answer is A, 1936. Which river's flooding caused significant damage in 1936? Is it A, Colorado River, B, Tennessee River, C, Ohio River, or D, Mississippi River? The correct answer is C, Ohio River. What type of natural disaster impacted Pittsburgh in 1936? Is it A, hurricane, B, flood, C, tornado, or D, earthquake? The correct answer is B, flood. During what historical event did the flood take place? Is it A, World War II, B, Renaissance, C, Great Depression, or D, Industrial Revolution? The correct answer is C, Great Depression. What was a common consequence of the flooding? Is it A, property appreciation, B, displacement of residents, C, increased tourism, or D, improved agricultural output? The correct answer is B, displacement of residents. Which major city infrastructure was heavily impacted? Is it A, water supply, B, public transportation, C, airport operations, or D, roadway maintenance? The correct answer is B, public transportation. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.